G'day everyone, this is a Jensen model number 35 that I've converted over to be gas fired. Done some other mods here for the exhaust. I've got the exhaust running down two soldered in copper tubes into this little copper collection bucket that I've made. Anyway, I've got it hooked up to 1, 2, 3, 4 stamping mills through this brass flywheel Maymod transmission, and I think it's just about coming up to the boil. So hopefully the little 35 gas modified Jensen, they're a nice engine these, they're just, I'll give you another look. The original, they were electric boilers, but I drilled 2 air holes in here and some holes along the side there, and I'll just show you. It's just got a Bix burner with the small, that's the Bix gas bottle, and it's got the small Bix ceramic burner in. Alright, I'm pretty sure this is going to be up to boil. Sure is. Okay, let's see, she's got the gumption to run all these accessories. Here we go. Oh, straight away. Nice and fast actually. Very good. Give it that flywheel. Got a little disengaging lever here. Turns it off and starts it going. I'll turn the gas off. We'll let it slow down by itself. There we go. I'll just show you before I turn the video off. That's the little big ceramic burner. Be a bit hot now, so I'll keep it off the cork. But yeah, there we go. I hope you enjoyed the little Jensen 35 running all these accessories. Appreciate you watching, and would also appreciate if you subscribed to my channel. That would be much appreciated. Thanks again all. Bye for now.